Hello, associate. To earn a recommendation from me, you need simply prove you are able-bodied and prepared to learn something in the process. Unlike some frivolous tasks you may be given at other guild halls, this is a serious matter and has consequences. Are you prepared? Then allow me to explain the task. The Council of Mages has entrusted me with resolving a situation along the Gold Road. Several traveling merchants have been found dead along the Gold Road recently, with even more missing. The Council has asked that I put a stop to it. You are going to help me do so. We believe the killings are the actions of a rogue mage. Battle mages have been sent to the Brina Cross Inn, the only common link between the victims. You are to travel north to the Brina Cross Inn and speak with Ariel Gerard. She will give you further instructions. It's a sad thing to think that a mage would kill helpless merchants for the wares they carry. This is a harsh, dangerous task for you, I realize. Your unfamiliar face makes you most useful, however. And what better way to learn the many uses of restoration? Practical application is often the best educator, even in life and death situations. Some mages do not abide by the principles of the guild and operate outside its boundaries. Many hold little value for the lives of others. The frost burns found on the victims in this case indicate a mage was responsible for their deaths. Likely nothing more than simple robbery. These scrolls should provide sufficient resistance to frost magic when and if you do encounter this rogue mage. Use them wisely. The inn lies north of Anvil. Speak with Ariel Gerard when you arrive. She will give you further instructions. Do not let your guard down. We do not know whether the inn staff is involved somehow. The scrolls I have given you should protect you from the magic the mage seems to use most frequently. But do not let your guard down. He may have more tricks up his sleeve. Be seeing you.
Evening.
Hello there! I must say I'm quite surprised to see anyone else here. With all the trouble on the road recently, I expected to be the only one staying at the inn. It's a welcome surprise, though, believe me. Are you staying for a while, or simply just passing through? Ah, how brave of you, to walk the roads with all of the recent trouble. I myself have been here for some time, hoping to find out what's going on. No luck yet, though. Well, you watch out for yourself, and be careful. Hail.
Okay. Goes it?
I've been better.
What is
That's
it?
too bad.
Make
Hello, stranger. What can I do for you?
Cariel has sent you, has she not? Go and speak with Christoph. Rent a room for the night. Once you have your room, I will meet you there. If anyone asks, you are a travelling merchant, nothing more. Do not say otherwise to anyone.
No, friend. I'm afraid I don't know the way to Shaden Hall. But good luck in your travels. Please excuse me.
Welcome to the Brina Cross Inn. Can I interest you in something to eat, or perhaps a bed for the night? Let me guess. Traveling on business? You don't look like you're out for a stroll. Ah, yes, thought so. We get many of them traveling through here. Well, we used to. Haven't seen as many lately, what with the, well, you know, the murders. I don't like to talk about it much, as it's bad for business. At any rate, would you care for a bed for the night? Right then, the bed is just upstairs at the back of the inn. Sleep well. I hope it's comfortable enough for you. Everyone's talking about the assassination, of course. Here, take my copy of the new Black Horse Courier. Oh, go ahead, keep it. In the west, in Old Colovia, that's where men are men. That's the Gold Coast, West Weald, and Colovian Highlands. Good day.
Quickly, you must speak.
All right, it should be safe to speak here. Once you've rested here, you need to continue along the Gold Road, heading east towards Kvatch. I shall be following out of sight, along with a fellow battle mage. Make no attempts to speak to us. Trust that we will protect you. Should you be confronted by this cowardly mage, do not hesitate to protect yourself by whatever means possible. Once the mage has revealed himself, we will step in and settle a matter quickly. Now get yourself some sleep. You'll need to be well rested.
Hi there.
I'm afraid your journey ends here, traveler. I'll be taking whatever you're carrying, after you're dead, of course. I do hope it's more than the last few had. They were most disappointing.
You've done well. The Gold Road should be a little safer for now. You should return to Anvil and let Carahill know the work is complete. We'll remain here and clean things up. The Mages Guild runs more or less like it always did, but we lost quite a few members when the practice of necromancy was banned.
Bye.
What? Half of the Council of Mages resigned when Traven took over the position of Archmage. Good day.
So, what of the rogue mage? Has he been found? Did you hear that Falcar left the guild? I think Dietsan is in charge of Cheydinhal now. A she, you say? And she's dead? Well, Ariel and Roliand did what needed to be done. No more innocent deaths. At least for now. You have done well enough for yourself. I'll pass along my recommendation to Raminus. Though I must say I doubt it will do you much good in the end. You'd be surprised how easily they forget about the little people. You have received recommendations from every guild hall, have you not? Then you are ready to advance to the Arcane University. Raminus Polus will want to speak with you. I must say you will be a credit to the guild. Archmage Traven will be lucky to have you there. Bye. If you'll excuse me, I don't have
Hello.
time.
What have you been up to? I read. May I help you? Have a look around. You won't find better prices in all Tamriel. That's a good deal. Thank you. Bye.
My children are starved in
Go ahead, please. Let me take... Goodbye.
Speak. Hello, associate. It seems you've obtained the final recommendation you required. He's that Imperial Watch captain that's always chasing after the Grey Fox and the Thieves Guild. Chasing after shadows, if you ask me. The Thieves Guild probably doesn't exist, and it's a sure bet the Grey Fox doesn't either. Soris Arenum sure seems upset. I think he lost something important. The Arcane University has been here for nearly as long as the Mages Guild has been in Cyrodiil. It has been our home for ages. I have received recommendations from all the local guild halls in Cyrodiil. You've done well for yourself. You may now enter the university. As a full-fledged member of the Mages Guild, I now also promote you to the rank of apprentice and grant you the robe of the apprentice. Take a moment and try it on. Then we shall speak of what comes next for you.
Well met, guildmate.
Greetings, guildmate.
If there's a complaint about a merchant, speak to Venetia Saya.
She must hate her job. People complaining to her. All day.
Leave me alone. I don't have time. What is it, Sarah? What? Have a look around. I be seeing you.
Ah, you must be the Arcane University's newest addition.
Greetings, Guildmaid.
Well met.
Welcome to the Chironasium.